Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we are diving into the one of the most fundamental concepts in Angular, that is data binding. So whether you are just starting out or brushing up your skills in Angular 19, this video will help you to master data binding with the practical real-world example. So let's dive into the topic. So what is data binding? The data binding is how Angular connects your TypeScript code to your HTML template, right? It keeps your UI sync with your data, and this is happen vice versa. This image shows you the perfect idea of what is data binding. I will show you one simple one-way data binding example. So I will pass a name from the HTML, right, and display it in here. Uh, so I will pass name as uh, Rakialk, right? And we can display it in here. I will add it in h2 tag. So welcome to this is called interpolation, guys. Right, in the right in this HTML, you can see that welcome to Rakialk message has been displayed. So this is called interpolation, guys, a form of one-way data binding where the data flows from the component to the view, right? You can add any name here. I will add as test user. Anything you can add, then it will be displayed in the here. Welcome to test user. Okay, here mainly we are going to talk about four main types of data binding. So one is interpolation. We have earlier we talked about it. Another one is property binding, event binding, and two-way data binding. Right. So next let's talk about the property binding. As example, I will add the image, right? I will display a image in the view model. So this src is comes from the ts file. We'll add the url here. I will add it as image url, and I have already copied one url. I'll paste it here, image url, and yeah, all good. And here we need to add this image url in the html. Okay, all good, all good. Yeah, we'll see now. Yeah, all good. You can see here under the property binding the image has been added. So let's do a small change here. Image size, we can change the width and height, then it will be easy to see, no? Yeah, I will add the style tag. Okay, height, I'll give like 200 pixels. For the width, I will give like 300 pixels. Okay, now it's fine. Yeah, you can see it here now. Okay, that's for the property binding, and let's talk about the event binding next. For the event binding, what I'm going to do is I will add a button click, right? So here we'll add a button. We'll add a button. You can have understanding here what's going on. So for this button, we will add the click event, right? This click event, we will add the method as say hello. Yeah, yeah, this one, and we will tell click me. Okay, so this say hello method should be implemented in the ts file. uh, okay, here we can implement this say hello, and Here we will display a message when the user clicks this button. So I will add this as message. We can implement this as a string. All good. This empty, and we'll keep this empty. And next you can see we can have implement this distress message as hello, welcome to Rekia LK. Okay, fine. Next we will add the console logo, so then you can see that the button has clicked. Button clicked. Yeah. Okay. Here now data has been gone, and you can see a button in the your UI. Okay, all good. The click me button has been added. We'll see what happens when we click it. Yeah, button clicked. The click event has been done. So next we need to view this in the message in the UI. So for that, what we can do, we can get that message. So here we will add our message as our message. Then you know how to get that. We need to add the interpolation, and we can call the message. Okay, all good. Okay, so I will refresh the window. Okay, so I will click the button. Okay, button clicked, and our message has been displayed here. Hello, welcome to KLK. Yeah. That's happening in the event binding easy. I explained you a easy example. So next go with the two-way data binding. Okay, for the two-way data binding, I will add the input as let's add the input here. Yes. Okay, and this input and we are adding a ngModel here. I will do a separate video for understanding this ngModel things. So for now you can see I will add the ngModel here, and this value is equal to name. We need to initialize the name. Okay, just like this message we will add another one, name. Okay, we have successfully added it, and we need to import the form module. I will import it, form module. Let's try this one is enough. Okay, this name has been added. We and next our ngModel. Okay, so we need to import this forms module to our component. Sorry, forms module. Okay, done. And what's why this error is coming? We'll see. It has gone, and let's add. Let's display the typed name here. So I will add the string like hello and interpolation for the name. Okay, all good. Here why we getting an error? You see. Here, yeah, issue is we have two names, so I will add an as this name to name new, and issue has gone here. Also we need to add that same name, name new. Okay, all good, all good. Here now we can see. Okay, yes, I saved the TS and HTML. Now we can see the input, and we will add a name. I will add as KLK, Yeah, it can be displayed here. That's a simple example for the two-way data binding. Okay, now we talked about interpolation, property binding, event binding, two-way data binding, all four, right? Next, we will go for a small example, practical example. Then you can again understand the concepts. Well, yeah, we'll go for it. Okay, guys. Next, let's build a small form that uses data binding for a real-world scenario, right? User profiled, simple one. So you can get more idea about what happens here. So let's go to the example. I'll go to the code and from here, yeah, from here, we'll add the form. Okay. The example, I will add the div tag and I will add a label, uh, yeah, a label. Okay, for the first name and input field. uh, Here we can use ngModel. You can easily type ngModel, then it will take this one, then it will already create in, and we will create a use object containing first name and last name. I will create it first name, yeah, first name empty, and other one called the last name. Okay, it's also empty. Yeah, we created the object, then we can uh, call the input value there, user dot first name. Okay, like this we will create another input field for the last name. Yeah, oh good, last name, user dot last name. Fine. Then we will add a button also. When this button click, we call it save button, and when this button called, we can add a click event to call the function called save method. Okay, we will implement the save method in the ts file. What will happen in the save method is, what can we do? We will add the console log, right? Console log, console log. We can console log this dot use the object we created. Fine. Next, yeah, we'll see what will happen. Then we can get an idea, no? Okay. Yeah, I have created it. Yeah, we'll add the plus name as Rakia. We'll see what will be displayed in the console also. And here Rakia LK, first name and last name, and we'll save it. Yeah, you can see the first name as Rakia and the last name as LK. Okay, fine. Or else we can display this in the HTML. You know how we can display this easily. Just we need to add the interpolation. Yes, already we discussed this. We will add the one interpolation for the first name, user dot first name, and another one for the last name, user dot last name. Yeah, all good. Yeah, we will refresh this browser. Then I'll add the hello world for the last name. Yeah, in here preview also displayed. First name is hello and the last name is world. Yes, guys, using this two-way data binding with ngModel, right? We can easily bind input values to the use object we created in the TS file, and we can trigger the actions with the event binding. Yeah, That's an easy example. I hope you understood well. I'll add this playground, the things we did in a file you to download and have a look on it. I'll add it in the description and some more informations also. So yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you guys for joining. Hope to see you soon again. Thank you.